Energy Minister Irene Muloni, together with Tullow Oil managers, assembled at the ministry boardroom and signed production sharing agreements for Kanywataba and Kingfisher oil prospects in the districts of Toroko, Hoima and Chibara respectively.
License for Kingfisher to Tullow Uganda Limited.
Thank you very much.
Muloni claimed that the signing is good news for Ugandans because of the benefits that will accrue from the deal amounting to $1.1 million, approximately 2.8 trillion Uganda shillings.
The total cash payments in United States dollars that we are receiving from Tullow Uganda Limited is $1,169,995 United States dollars.
The decision by government to sign these agreements comes at a time when Parliament passed a resolution halting the process and the ongoing court case on the parliamentary probe, which was investigating on the same matter.
Is contemptuous of Parliament. It shows their total disregard and respect of Parliament. That's point number one. Point number two, there is an ongoing court process. And all the parties are aware, Sinok is aware, Total is aware, the Attorney General is aware, plus Tullow. So for them to go ahead and preempt a court process, including an application for a temporary injunction, is also a total disregard of the law and the judicial process.
We discussed it at cabinet level, at caucus level, even with His Excellency the President, following the discussions that we had and the legal opinion that was given as that the resolutions were advisory in nature. As a ministry, I don't think we've received any summons or any injunctions of that nature.
Why is Total and Sinok rushing to sign this agreement, knowing very well that in the near future we are going to have a new legal regime governing the oil sector? We have strong objection as to whether Tullow had anything to pass on to Sinok and Total.
Its work has to continue. So we are applying the existing law to progress the work in the sector. When the new laws come on board, we will then apply them in the new circumstances.
And this matter cannot be closed by them appending signatures to paper.
Are you saying they are going to challenge the decision, the signing?
Of course. There is no doubt about that. We will not allow Uganda to become a Nigeria. And I repeat, we will not allow Uganda to become a Nigeria. We will not allow Uganda to become a Nigeria. That's what I can assure you.
Tullow says today's signing of the two agreements will result into finalizing their plan to sell part of their interest to Sinok, a Chinese company, and Total, a French company, in the next 2 weeks. On completion of the sale, Total will operate Exploration Area 1, while Sinok will take over Kanywataba and Kingfisher exploration areas.
But we anticipate we'll get it done as quickly as possible, and we'll be using our best efforts to actually accelerate that if we can.
Jingo Francis, NTV Weekend Edition.